Driving in the summer is overall a different experience than driving in the winter. They both have their own safety precautions and pros and cons while having to play the role of getting us from point A to point B. As the snow season is approaching, there are safety circumstances individuals often follow when driving in winter's conditions. Have you ever thought twice about the extra safety measures that have or should be implemented due to the expected patterns of winter activity? The exposure of hazards due to winter conditions produce a great amount of risk that individuals may encounter while driving on roads. As snow and sheets of ice are expected to leave the tops of trucks covered during winter seasons, vehicles sharing these transportation routes are set to be placed at a higher rate of danger. Flying ice from truck tops can result in the negative experience for an individual personally, as it can shatter windows and cause a physical and traumatizing harm. To eliminate risk factors for individuals encountering these trucks, we can develop adaptable heating pads or lines that will refrain the tops of trucks from developing chunks of ice. This will look like placing a universal heating pad or a series of cords that use today's technology revolving around de-icing systems that are found in markets such as airplanes, roofing, pipes, driveways, and walkways de-icers. Placing these on top of truck vehicles will maximize safety precautions for road users, as the snow and ice on the trucks will constantly be at a melting state, giving it no chance to build up. Now, can you imagine a safer road space for its users, not just physically but emotionally? As driving in winter's conditions can naturally be uneasing, if individuals are aware that the safe tools and protocols are being implemented during the use of these products, some road users may even anticipate the feelings of ease. Leaders dealing with the pressure of road users due to similar threats can use these mechanisms to decrease danger levels completely. Although we cannot change the weather, we can prevent hazards before the snow comes down with the use of this product. Under product circumstances, threats will be minimized while maximizing safety for drivers on the roads, which will further result in a safer environment for all road users. Thank you.